how to log in to University of Athlete. So if you want to log into your University Athlete account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Athlete University. And here you can go for the first search, which is universityathlete.com, and then click on verify and verify. And after the verification, it will take you to the University of Athlete webpage. So now you can go for the upper right, which has that login option. Click on login, and here it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account under your Athlete University, you need to first enter your email on the first blank. So enter your email address, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. And if you remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create one so that you can create your account. But if you already created your account and you need to log in, then enter your email and then your password, and you can click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your University of Athlete account. So that's it. That's how you log into your University of Athlete account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.